Hi, in this video, we're going to go over how to change your default theme settings. So if you go over to your editor, you can see that I've already added a few things here in a certain color, but we can actually change the default for these so that we don't have to change the color every time if we want it to be one particular color for one particular screen capture. So we can do that by coming up here to More and then clicking on Set Theme Defaults. So if we want to go over here and see what the different defaults are, we can see that they'll apply to all future edits of their screenshots. So the changes are auto-save, so you don't have to worry about that. You can make it to where for a rectangle, you always have a fill that has a particular color. You can make it to where it always has an outline with a particular color and a particular width. You can make sure it always has a particular radius for its rounded corners. Same with oval, you can have a particular fill and fill color, an outline, a color, and a width. Same thing with line, if you always want the line to be a specific color or width. Same with arrow, same with text. You can have a particular fill, you can have a particular outline, width, font, type, alignment, bold or italic. Same thing with blur, if you always want it to be a particular blur radius. Same thing with padding and border. It can always be on or off. You can always change the padding to be a particular padding size and have a fill color of a particular color, an outline with a particular color and width. Same thing with the URL and date. If you always want it to have a particular style, so you don't have to change this every time, you can do so here as well. And we can also restore the factory defaults here if we'd like to. So that is how you can change your default settings here.